Well, hi there, cheese fans. Leon the Milkman here, and I'm here to invite you to the end of the month, end of April, long weekend that runs over the 1st of May, to come and meet us at the Sandringham Cheese Festival pop-up. So it's just outside of Stellenbosch, just off the N1, and we'll be there for 3 days over that long weekend. Come and say hello. Elaine and myself, my wife and I, will have a stand there, the cheesemaking.co.za stand, and you can come and meet us, take a pic with us, maybe with hats, and ask us your cheese related questions, maybe book a course. If you want to buy cheese making ingredients or kits, go to cheesemaking.co.za/shop. And if you want to join any of the Cheese Festival pop-ups, I'm going to put a link down below under the video. Go and click on it and you can book yourself a ticket. And I'm looking forward to meeting you and seeing you there end of April 2022.